Well, hey, rail fans and model railroaders. Welcome back to another episode of Getting Back on Track with Steve
and Roxy. So with the completion of the terrain around our river area, it's time to head over to the other side of the mountain. We're going to put in a return tunnel from our future rail yard and another mountain. So with that being said, let's get this work done.
So after all that great work we did on the other side, now we want to start working on this side. So we have to figure out how we want our mountain to look coming from this location here at the tunnel. We want to come all the way across, and we need to put another portal in here so we can come back from our yard around the back side of the layout. So we need to bring a mountain up here and put another portal in place here, because we have another turnout set in here. So I've gone ahead and marked out our backdrop. We got about a 3-inch rise, and we figured our height and our width that we're gonna need to cut out. So we're gonna grab a drill. We'll place our holes in there like we did last time, and we'll see if we can get this cut out. Okay, so just a few holes here. Okay, the other side is going to be a little tricky, so hopefully we can get in there and get this cut done. So let's go to the back side and grab our jigsaw. Okay. Uh-oh, problem. I can't get a jigsaw to fit back in this tight area. So I think I'm going to have to do all my cutting from the other side. Let's jump back in. Boy, this side is super awkward. Well, it ain't pretty. But it'll work, because this whole thing will be covered up. So now I just need to extend this cork, so we need to know where our line. So we're going to want to curve this slightly in, so I can take my yardstick here, give it a slight bend. There we go. We can mark a line. We can follow that, and that'll put us just about centered here. And it helps ease the curve coming back out of the yard, I think. So that'll be good. Now, on to the next step.
All right, now that we got all this foam cut and stacked, I'm gonna get out my glue gun. We're gonna get it all glued together so we can get the hot knife out and get it shaped.
So now that Roxy has everything all glued in place, the next step is we're going to break out the hot foam cutter. We're going to trim this out, and we're going to make an embankment and mountainside that we can go ahead and scene up. Now, rest assured, we have an exhaust fan going, so we're not dying on fumes here.
Well, there you go. We're so excited with how all this is coming out. It looks great.
Yeah, the mountain's sculpted out just right, so we got some really nice terrain, but we got to think about the lower loop now and how we're going to tie it together with the mountain scene to make one cohesive scene. So that's next for the channel. So in the meantime, you guys have a good time running your trains and working on your layouts.
Make sure you hit like and subscribe so you're notified of our next video.
And we'll see you back here again on Getting Back on Track with Steve
and Roxy. Bye, guys.
Bye.